Well, today's the big day, boys. Give the trammy a little drinky poo. Yeah, the transmission's just filling right up to the top. Every time you shut it off, it just drains down into the pan. It's filling the fucking thing up too full and puking it out all over the ground. So take the Red Dragoon in today for transmission. Oh yeah, that'd be just spectacular. Goodness gracious. Smoking like a herd. Like a huge. Cold enough to harden up the ground, so that's a positive. This friggin' this door trim down there, that really freezes to the window terribly. Holy suffering. Really roll it down too much in the winter, but when you're trying to back off the shit and put it on the trailer, it'd be nice once in a while. Maybe. Fuck. We can partner out, boys. Freaking four-ways are locked on now. Hey, that'd be just splendid, but anyways, we'll get down to the trammy decks, drop this off. I got look at a couple pieces of wood on the way home, and then back to Inwood. Yeah, for sure. Right on. Thanks anyways. Right on. Oh my goodness. That'd be trippy, eh? All of a sudden plug one pulls into your work, starts acting all belligerent. Is that the rusty HVAC? Well, if you got any freaking fuel injection pump issues, bring on down to dirty old Royce. Anyways, if anybody knows a place to recommendation of a alignment, because the old friggin' Red Dragoon is hurting the unit.
Hello.
Yeah, Len, it's Chris. I talked to you earlier about coming to see that wood.
What?
I talked to you earlier about coming to see that wood.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be there in about 15 minutes.
Okay, that's back then. Okay, fine.
While we're out here with the trailer, might as well see if we can get a good deal on the lumbar support beam. Hopefully there's not too much wrong with that transmission. Oh, goodness gracious. Just pop a new third gear synchro in there and call her $600. Eh? Not likely. Holy shit, where's he going? How you doing?
The lock froze, but follow me in the back way.
All right.
And yeah, you'd be
no worries. No deck. That's gonna be a tight one. Look at that. Not a whole lot of rooms to spare. Holy shit. Oh man. Which ones is it? None of these look like the pile in the picture.
Pardon?
None of these look like the pile in the picture. Which one is it?
What were you interested in?
Oh, there's 2x10s and 2x12s or something.
Some of them are sold. There's 2x10. What's left is 2x.
Oh man, yeah, I need like 19 of them. Oh, fuck sakes. Fucking coming here to buy 5 fucking sticks of wood, man. Oh, there's the 2x10s. Some of them are sold. That's what's left. So why not fucking tell me that before I fucking drive all the way here? Oh man, you fucking asshole. Thanks, bro. Oh, some of them are sold. What the fuck do you mean? Fuck's sakes. What a fucking goof. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. How do they even fucking come up with this shit? I had to friggin' shoot home quick to get the winch battery, and I'm probably gonna forget it before I leave, but then I picked up this a pickler, but then I gotta be back to do an under curtain, but then I gotta go again. So we got a little bit of the Lincoln here for an under curtain. Ooh. A little bit more.
You have a good day.
You too. Decent. So I met a dude on the internet, so I gotta go meet up with him and probably fuck. You can still see the friggin' scratch marks all the way down the friggin' main streets because of the friggin' A-Team's vans. Eh? When we were towing it back on one, we all know that was the Lincoln. That was the Stinky Linky, I think they called it. I think they called up on it. So you hear nothing but good about that Andy guy, eh?
I didn't pay him for a whole month. He owes him fucking like 6 months fucking worth of that order.
Good friend. Wow. Just put $112 in the tank. That got me 592 kilometers. 592 kilometers. That no good. Anyways, we got fuel and we're on our way home, and I'll reset the friggin' trip, son of a bitch, and then we'll get some how much or something up us and to Japan Taylor. Oh my goodness, such a frozen, more blistery day out friggin'. I guess it's a little misty, fellas, and she's settling on the road and freezing up there. Fucking almost crashed. But yeah, friggin' met a dude on the internet there and picked up his Sylvanatus, friggin' rights. Some of the little bit of the GMC. Yeah, I'll unload all that bull's crap in the morning. I'm just starving to death, and yeah, I've been driving most of the day, so friggin' quit. But friggin' rights, did an undercurtain, got a new tool and a truck today. So friggin' decent peony, boys. That's got to be worth a finger fotchki. And don't forget, onebugger.com, big sale. Friggin' it's gonna be shutting her down here on the sales extravaganza soon. But yeah, if you fucking want to get all type of the more awesomers frig horse's dick on a deal, we got all type of stuff, 10 to 25% off, onebugger.com. Of course, links in the prescription for that. But yeah, and of course, the Patreomics. I try to get early vitches. We do the Sunday Fun Day. And the friggin' Nelspini calendar is going to be coming out here soon. I think it's only going to be available on the Patreomics. And we best get on it quick because it's already January. But anyways, boys, if you miss them, a couple of itches from her in the week. But there you go, another dick bug I'm talking.
Don't the waters get you?